Fire in the hole, let's cook some chicken. Stay tuned. Hello and welcome once again to my backyard. Today we're going to make some chicken Spiedies, and it's real easy to do. I got this recipe, I got the idea from this. I went to the grocery store and I saw this on the shelf. This is Salamita Original State Fair Spiedie sauce and marinade. And I thought, yeah, you know, I saw my buddy Rob from Barbecue Pit Dog did this, and also Chef John from Food Wishes did this. So what I got here is some white breast meat chicken that I cut into 1-inch cubes. I'm going to take this whole jar of Salamita State Fair Spiedie sauce, and we're gonna marinate this overnight. 24 hours is what it calls for. 24-hour marinade. Because what we want to do is we want to chemically cook that chicken. We want that chicken to be to turn white before we skewer it up tomorrow and cook it. And it's going to chemically cook in the refrigerator overnight, 24 hours. I'll be coming back tomorrow around the same time and lighting the fire. And yeah, that's all there is to Spiedies. Now, if you can't find Spiedie sauce in your grocery store, what you can do is you can make your own. You get the air out of the bag, get it closed up, and I'll get it laid down in there, and I'm gonna, I'll be turning it during the night or whatever to distribute that stuff all over that chicken. But like I said, if you can't find, you want to make this and you can't find Spiedie sauce, what you can do is you can make your own Spiedie sauce. I'll put a recipe in the description of the video. Or take my advice, that Spiedie sauce is nothing more than a cheap Italian marinade. Basically, it's Italian salad dressing, and it's got some spices in it, that I don't know what they are, but you could get away with Italian salad dressing, I think, and get a passable Spiedie sauce out of it. So anyway, yeah, that's got to marinate overnight, and then tomorrow we'll skewer it up and grill it. We'll drink a beer. We're going to have a good time, so stick around. My chicken Spiedies have been marinating all night, and you see what's happened. They've already started to kind of chemically cook. What I got to do now is cook them the rest of the way on the grill. I'm going to put them right over direct heat, right on top of the hot coals, and get them cooked up. So stick around, I'll show you what that looks like. My speeders are on the grill. Spiedies. Did I say speeders? I meant Spiedies. My Spiedies are on the grill. And at first they're going to try to stick to the grill, but what we got to do is let them cook a little bit and turn them as we go. They smell great already. And we're just going to get a little bit of cook on them and get them charred up a little bit, and then we'll get them off there and make a sandwich. So, you want to watch? I'll let you watch as they cook. They're starting to get a little bit cooked. You know when they're cooked when they start to release from the grill. They're not really cooked yet. They got to get, want to get them, nice and brown. Nice and browned up. So they're starting to look good, but they're not nowhere near good yet. So stay tuned. My chicken Spiedies are done. I'm going to get some bread over here and make a sandwich. I'm going to dress it up a little bit. I've got some nice French baguette that I toasted. I'm going to get some of that Spiedie meat on there. Some of that awesome chicken. Slide it right off of there like that. Onto my baguette. I got some, I'm going to dress it up a little bit with some onion. I want to put some onion on there. Raw onion. Just a sprinkle of raw onion. Then I've got some cheddar cheese I'm going to stick on there. A little bit of cheddar cheese. I don't know how they serve these, wherever it is they serve them. But I know what I like. I like a little bit of onion and cheddar cheese, and I'm also going to put some Mr. Tom's award-winning mustard sauce on there. And if you've never tried this and you'd like to try it, be a subscriber to my channel. Give me a thumbs up to this video, and leave me a comment, and I'll choose one lucky person to get a to win some of this. So don't that look good? Let me get that, close that up. That's my Spiedie sandwich right there. Let me get a beer. We'll take a taste of that. Stay tuned. There's the Frosty Root Boy mug, and here's today's beer. This is Oscar Blues Blue IPA, Colorado, USA. Every time I pick up an Oscar Blues, it has a different city on it. The last one had North Carolina. This one's got Colorado. Anyway, yeah, to each their own till we go home. Whatever. Oscar Blues IPA, Blue IPA. Can't wait to try this one. Probably going to be good. Oscar Blues, good brewing company. Let's pour that out carefully. Oh, it's very pale yellow. Let's get that in the frosty mug so we can, I love listening to that saw going all day and night. I don't know what they're sawing over there, but they've been sawing it for days. You hear it? Gotta love it. Yeah, Oscar Blues IPA. Pack it in, pack it out. That's what it says. Let's take a sniff of that. Ah, it smells good. It smells like hops and beer. Hops and barley. That's a alcohol 6.3 by volume. Oscar Blues, brewed and canned. To each his own. Blue Dream is what this is called. Blue Dream IPA. Roll. There's only one way to find out, Roll. We got to quaff the froth off it, baby. Let's do it. It's good. It's a nice IPA. Nothing really special about it. Blue Dream IPA, Oscar Blues. It's in a blue can. It says Colorado, USA. Anyway, it's a nice IPA. Let's take a taste of my Spiedie. Let me get my Spiedie front and center. I don't know how I'm going to pick this thing up. Look at it. Don't that look good? Let me smoosh it down a little bit. Maybe I can grab it and take a bite of it. I don't know how they serve it, but I put a little bit of onions and stuff on mine. Trying to chew quietly. Well, it's basically a chicken sandwich. It's you can taste the vinegar in the marinade of the chicken. The chicken's very tender and flavorful, but I don't know if it's worth making such a fuss over. Spiedies, it's good stuff. Tastes good. I'm trying to chew quietly. Sorry. Alright. Well, that's it, babies. That's my video. I don't know what else to say. Chicken Spiedies are not that exciting. They're good. They taste good. Takes a little bit of work. I guess it's worth it in the end. You dress it up any way you like, I guess. And I like the way I dressed that one up. Anyway, yeah, you know what I always say. Come back next week. We may not cook anything good, but we will drink a beer. If you like this crap, please subscribe. I always say that. If you don't like this crap, go up here and see my buddy Rob, the barbecue pit dog. He just hit like 500 subscribers. He needs about 500 more to make his day. So why don't 500 of you go up there and subscribe to Rob. And another 500 of you subscribe to me. That'll make me happy. Come back next week. We may not drink anything good. We may not cook anything good, but we will drink a beer. And we've already had too much to drink. No, we haven't had enough to drink. That's the problem. Anyway, that's my video, Chicken Spiedies. Hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you next week. Bye.